class, and welcome to week 2 of English 101 online. I hope that you are having a good Labor Day weekend holiday. And for the rest of the week, we're going to begin with week 2 of the assignment. We're still in the tech module. For this week in the tech module, if you're looking at the calendar, and again, the calendar tab is to the left on the navigation bar in Blackboard. If you're looking at the calendar, you will see that the Tech Week 2A or 2B discussion board posts are due for the class. In order to find the discussion board post, you will go to the discussion board, which is again on the navigation bar to the left. You'll scroll down to the discussion at hand, and you will see that there is either a tech discussion post 2A or 2B. You will answer either one of the questions. The questions deal with the online bullying, online harassment. One deals with Henry Lieberman's work at MIT, and the other work deals with Jenkins and Taylor's article. So you will get to choose which one you would like to choose for this week. I'm going to go back and discuss what is coming up next after that post. For the remainder of the week, you will be writing the rough draft of your technology essay, your tech essay. And the rough draft is due this near the end of the week, and you will be posting part of your rough draft. We'll look at that to see what's to post in a second. And then you will also be responding to 2 other students' rough drafts, the part of the rough draft that they need to work on. So let's go to that and see what is due. Again, I'm going to go to the discussion board. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to get rid of that pop-up. For your peer review, you're going to be posting your introductory paragraph along with your thesis, and you'll highlight or underline your thesis statement. You'll post it on the discussion board, and then you will review the introductory, your introduction, and have 2 other students respond to your introduction following the prompts. Okay, so that is the peer review for this week. So you'll be posting your introductory paragraph, and you'll be responding to at least 2 other peers about their introductory paragraphs using the prompt on the discussion board. Looking ahead to week 3, the final draft of essay number 1 is due that time. Okay, so the final draft of your tech essay is due at the beginning of next week as well. So please note that. For information on the criteria for your tech essay, please go to your assignments tab. That is again on the navigation bar in assignments, and you will see, if you click on the technology essay, you should see the prompt with more information about it. Okay, and there's the prompt along with the rubric for how to what I'll be looking for as I grade your essay. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.